Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can save a trained machine learning model in a file so that you can use it next time without training the machine learning model again and again. Here you can see that I have trained a machine learning model using random forest technique, and I have saved the model here as random_model. Here in the confusion matrix, you can see that the machine learning model is performing well. So now we will save this machine learning model in a file so that we can use it next time. For this purpose, we will use the Pickle library. First of all, we have to import Pickle. If you haven't installed the Pickle library, you just have to write pip install Pickle and it will automatically install it. Now I will use pickle.dump to dump the model, and then I will use the model name here, and we will open the file. So I will use open, and here I will write the file name I want to save the machine learning model in, and WB is used because I'm writing in binary, and you also have to write .pickle. Now if we run this and go to the folder, we can see that the machine learning model has been saved as a Pickle file. Now I'll tell you how you can load the machine learning model next time or whenever you want to use it. So here I will use pickled model. So I will write pickle.load, and then I will open the file. You can see that the file name is drugs_model. So I will write the name here, and I will use RB because we're reading the file and it is in binary. Now if we run this, the model will be loaded to pickled_model. Now let's test the training data on loaded pickled model. So I will just use pickled_model.predict and predict it on xtest. You can see that these are the predicted values for xtest. Now let's just test the model on a single input array. I have already written a code for a single input array, and I will use pickled_model.predict and put the array here. Now if we run the model, we can see that the predicted value for this particular array is drug Y. So that's it for today. I'll put the link of this code in the description and you can download and reuse it. I will also put the link of the machine learning model that I have trained so that if you want to use it, you can use my code. If you further face any issues, please write it in the comment section and I will make a video on that. If you are facing any issues with Python, please write that in the comment section as well and I will make a video on that. Please subscribe to my channel for further updates. Have a good day.